Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, back out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering, sound, foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't already visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in Kansas City, Kansas. This is a French drain installation job that we are currently in the process of trying to hopefully wrap up later today. We also have a 16 by 10 concrete pad we're going to be pouring now on the back side of this little room addition. Originally this was going to be a 8 by 8 pad, but we switched some things up yesterday, so that's what we're working on now. What we have here, we're going to be extending and burying the downspout on the corner of the house here. So we've got our trench dug, so we'll get the piping installed for that hopefully later this afternoon. Right here is one of the sections of our new French drain that we're going to have along the north side of the room addition. That's going to be run out to here. Again, this is where our new concrete pad is going to go. And then here is where the other part of the trench is going to be placed. So we're getting the materials now, all the piping and everything to get this put in. Once that first layer of gravel's done, and on top of that Petromat filter fabric, we'll put the 2 runs of 4-inch PVC piping on top of that gravel. Once that is in place, we'll put 1 more layer of gravel on top, wrap the filter fabric over the top of that top layer of gravel, and then we'll just neatly backfill on top once everything's done. So once we have the trenches all wrapped up and the pad done, any kind of leftover dirt we'll try to make sure is graded as neatly as we can away from the house. And that should be about it for this project. So stay tuned for further updates. Again, we should be close to knocking this out today, likely tomorrow. So again, stay posted on our YouTube and Facebook channels for updates on this, as well as all of our other current and past projects. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.